Welcome to Family DIY TV. Today we're going to do a comparison between the Aiper EcoSurfer S2 and the Beatbot iSkim. Let's get into it. Come on, stay here. We've had these going for a little bit. We have some experience with them, and there's definitely a lot of similarities, but there's definitely one that stands aside from the other one. We're going to get into all of that in this video. Let's do it. All right, so before we get into the differences of these awesome skimmers, let's talk about the similarities. Basically, these are both automatic skimmers. They're meant to go around your pool autonomously and skim the top layer of your pool. They both do it very well. The benefit of that is that you don't have to manually skim. Both will pick up things like leaves, bugs, grass clippings, and any kind of debris that goes on the top of the pool, maybe pine needles, all kinds of stuff. And later we're gonna actually show you exactly what these things pick up. Both have solar panels, but one has a bigger solar panel. We'll get into that later. Both also have backup charging options, but from my experience, it's not really needed because they have solar panels. There's your charger up in the sky. Both have anti-spill protection. Basically what that means is when you pick them up, they're not gonna just dump all the debris back into the pool. They both do that very well. Both have smart sensors built into the front of them. So when they get close to the edge of the pool, they'll slow down and slowly turn. So they're not ramming into your pool and damaging the pool. Both have an app, okay? The app will tell you the amount of battery that's in there. You can set up schedules in the app. You can change the modes. Both have eco mode. So basically what that means is it'll run for a few hours, sort of sit still for a few hours, then go for another few hours. But I just like to keep them on continuous mode. Why not? Both have a remote feature, which is actually a lot of fun. So you can actually drive it manually. So you're probably thinking like, yeah, these both skim the pool. They're both awesome. What stands them apart? Well, let's see. All right, so now we're actually gonna look at the robots a little bit closer and kind of go over the physical features of each one. I'm gonna start with the Aiper. Okay, so what we can see, first of all, this has wheels on the side. So when it runs against the edge of the pool, it's not just dragging, okay? It's got your solar panel. It's got an on and off button. Got some indicators here on the top. It's got a handle, okay? Now, if we look at the basket, here's our basket. Let's see what it got. So this is what this has collected, okay? So a lot of leaves, a lot of debris. I want you to take notice of the size of this basket, okay? We'll close that up. We'll slide it back in. It's basically the way that this works. This spins, it pulls the stuff in, and then you have these back here. These are your propellers, and this is what drives it. When you want to charge it, this is how you get power into it. That is the Aiper EcoSurfer S2. Beatbot iSkim, okay? Same thing, it's got the wheels, but these wheels are a little bit bigger. In stature, this thing is definitely bigger. It's got a bigger solar panel. It's got a button on the top, on mode. You have your propellers here on the back. You have a charging port here. And your basket's here in the front. Push this button, pull the basket out. Obviously spins, this pushes the stuff in, and we'll take a look at what's inside the skimmer. All right, so this is what the skimmer has skimmed. You can see it's got bugs, leaves, all kinds of stuff. There's even live ants in there. That's kind of gross. All right, now what you'll notice is the size. This is definitely a lot bigger than the one in the Aiper. Okay, that's the first thing that I noticed, and I like that, because I have a lot of leaves, a lot of stuff blows in here at night, and this definitely has a lot more capacity, which means you're spending less time emptying the filter, emptying the basket out, because it has more capacity. So I really like that. That's the first thing that I noticed. Let's get this thing back in the pool. Turn it on, back in the pool. Oh, I almost fell. So that's our first difference. 4-liter capacity on the Aiper and 9-liter on the Beatbot. That's a win. All right, so let's talk about the smart features, because they are smart robots. They both have an app. So in this app, like I said before, you can see the amount of battery that's in there, okay? You can put them in the eco mode, right? So they don't run continuously, but although I like the idea of keeping it continuous. You can see cleaning statistics, like how long has it cleaned. So I could see that I've been cleaning for 27 hours on the EcoSurfer. And on the Beatbot, it tells you basically what day it cleaned and how long it cleaned, how long it idled for, and things like that. So pretty neat. So I would say for the app, it's pretty much a draw. The only thing I've noticed is that the Beatbot has an additional feature that you can use voice control. So you can use Siri and Alexa and stuff like that to say, hey, Beatbot, go do something, all right? I'm probably not gonna use that, but that's really the only difference I'm seeing within the app for the most part. They all have basically the same features. All right, so now let's talk about like probably the biggest difference is basically the power. Beatbot has a 10,000 milliamp battery in it. This has about a 5,200 milliamp battery. So this is basically a twice the amount of battery power. And what that translates, what I'm noticing is more power. If you notice, the actual Beatbot dries faster, which means it'll clean a larger area quicker. Aiper's cleans pretty well, but it just basically, it cleans the same, but it just cleans the same slower. So I like that feature. And when I talk about power, you can kind of see, like, look at the power that this one's going. with, you can clearly see that it's moving. And this one sort of just floats along. It still covers the pool, still moves, but it sort of just does more of a float. That one is driving pretty fast. All right, so bigger battery means longer run time. It runs faster, so it basically cleans your pool faster, which I like. And also on those cloudy days or multiple cloudy days, you're more likely to have it run. Now the Aiper still works very well. Neither of them are a slouch, but basically the Beatbot does inch out there with that giant battery. Also, with the solar panel being bigger, it can get more power into that battery quicker as well, I believe. But I have no way to really quantify that. We're still looking good here. We have two really good brands, okay? All right, so now let's talk about long-term ownership. These are in incredibly tough environments, right? They're outside, the UV, salt water, chemicals, you know, all kinds of stuff is just working against these things. And a warranty is definitely important for something like this. The warranty is a pretty easy quantifiable thing to talk about. Warranty on the Aiper is a 2-year warranty. The warranty on the Beatbot is 3 years. That's pretty nice. An extra year of a warranty definitely makes you feel better. And for longevity purposes, that's definitely a plus. Now, one thing that I noticed with the Aiper that I like a little bit better is that it's a little bit smaller, okay? And the Beatbot is definitely bigger, okay? I usually am a big fan of smaller robots because they take up less room when you're storing them. So if size mattered to you, in that aspect, you want to go with the Aiper over the Beatbot. But again, this is a really tough comparison. So I'm giving you all the details that I know. All right, so let's sum it up. We have two awesome skimmers from really good companies. This is a really tough one. What would you go with? Put a comment down below. Let me know which one you would go with based on what you're hearing. But let's try to sum this up with a final verdict. So both are solar powered. Both have apps that work really well. Both skim the pool very well. Both are autonomous, basically clean your pool without you having to do anything. Both have solar panels. So what's the difference here? The biggest difference, I would say, the battery capacity and the capacity of the basket. Because the bigger that basket is, the less time you're spending cleaning the basket out, okay? And which one has a bigger battery? Which one has a bigger basket? Which one has a bigger basket? And which one has a bigger battery, Michael?
The Beatbot has a bigger basket and a bigger battery.
Bigger battery. So what do you guys think? Would you go with the bigger battery and a bigger basket? Would you go with the smaller robot with the smaller battery and the smaller basket? That's really a personal preference up to this point. Now, the one thing I want to point out here, this is very, very subjective. When I got married, I went to Aruba, and I remember one day we went on a catamaran. That's basically a catamaran has like the two boats kind of, and then in the middle, it kind of sits above the water. This right here reminds me of a catamaran. I think that's how you say the word. And it reminds me of my honeymoon in Aruba when we had a really good time as well. So I'm really digging the Beatbot and it makes me think of my honeymoon. All right, so that's the end of the video. I will put a link to both of these robots down below. Tell me what you think. If they were the same exact price, what would you go with? Would you want the bigger basket, the bigger battery, or would you want the sleeker, smaller robot with the smaller battery and the smaller basket? Let me know down below. Leave me a comment down below. Check the links down below as well. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV, and I'm Beatbot iSkim and the Aiper EcoSurfer S2 out. Kobe. Hunt, hunt. Dude, I can't miss. Hold on. Oh,